Hi there.
Hey.
It's Angela.
And Nels.
With Little Red River Soap. And we are making today
A
his
very,
favorite.
very special soap.
His favorite.
It's my favorite. And I say that in
Not
all
every soap.
truth. I mean, I'm not lying about this.
No.
This
he
was,
loves this one. We created the fragrance.
yes, we did. And it's all natural. And it's hot process, my favorite. Every ingredient is just luscious.
Yeah.
The first time we made this, I took the scrapings from the bowl,
Made a ball out of it.
made a ball, and I went to the shower. And I scrubbed up, I used it in my hair, I used it
To shave
to
everything.
shave the whole shootery because I wanted to see just how good it was. But again, folks, soap doesn't come better than this.
No.
And it reminds people of different things, and we'll just leave it at that.
Right.
And I love this soap, folks. In the bottom of my heart, I would not tell you a lie. And female and male alike is going to just fall head over heels for it. Seriously.
Yep.
All right.
So let's get making.
I'm excited. I hope you enjoy it. And again, this is the bomb diggity of soaps. They're, in my opinion, no finer soap than this.
And it does smell incredibly good. And like you said, it's not a male fragrance or a female fragrance. You smell essential oils, and there's a pile of them. There's like 6 or 7 different ones, but all of them they're strategically aligned in there to give a specific type of scent, and it's divine.
It's a spicy.
You'll see. It's really
Oh
good.
yes.
Trust us.
It is divine.
Okay.
Heaven sent.
Well, let's get on it. You want to?
Let's do it.
Before my back breaks.
Bye.
We're gonna get ready to make our, for now, Southern Comfort soap, and no, it has no booze in it. It's a blend of different essential oils that are just so good. going to dump in our mango butter. That is 4.5 ounces of very lovely mango butter from our friends at Chemistry Connection in Conway, Arkansas.
We certainly love these people.
Yep, we do. All right.
Hey, wait a second.
So we are going to, this is really thick and it's still pretty hot, and I want to thin it down a little, and I decided I would add some colloidal silver, which is only wonderful. So it's about 2 ounces, 2.5 of colloidal silver, which is the most wonderful stuff. And it's 150, you said? 148 or
Yeah,
something?
151 degrees.
It takes about 6 to 7 hours for it to cool when it's, you know, this hot. This is pretty hot. And oh, it just smells so good. It makes my heart so happy. But anyway, I know you guys are going to love this soap. It smells divine. So good, so clean, and so unique. It's not something that you will have ever smelled before in any other soap. So stay with us. We'll be right back with a cutting, and you can see how gorgeous this soap is on the inside. I only wish that you could smell it, because it's amazing. So take care. We'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Ciao.
All right, we're back to cut Southern Comfort. So
Yay.
it came out really pretty. See here, look at the top. See how nice, it's not as dark as it was when it was first in the mold. See how white the that came out in the, but I want to see the bottom. I already loosened her up here, so. Oh, look at that. How pretty.
Man.
Nice swirls, huh? Okay.
It could be the best looking hot process soap we've ever made.
Oh, it's pretty pretty.
Oh man, oh man.
Okay, let's cut it. What do you say?
Boy, that turned out good.
It did. I'm happy with it.
I'm excited. I scraped out enough to make a buttermilk biscuit size bar of soap last night, and when I showered, it was divine.
Whew! Mercy.
Can't wait to sit. Oh man.
Isn't that pretty? You can find it at littleredriversoap.etsy.com. If you want to know more about it, come to Facebook, and you can find us at Little Red River Soap Company. I will also have information about it on Instagram at Little Red River Soap Co. And I'm sure I'll probably post something about it in our little private group on Facebook called The Soapery with an exclamation point. And one of these days, I'm going to actually have my website up and running. That is our own website. So come and find us and have a look at what we've got. Check out Southern Comfort. Everything in this is fantastic. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate so much you're taking the time to spend with us at Little Red River Soap Company. Be blessed. We'll see you soon. Bye.
See you later. Ciao.